So I got my air conditioner, 5000 BTU, plugged into my inverter here, and that's the lithium ion power bank. Let's turn this on and see what the power draw of the AC is and how long it will last. Okay, it's on. So this, like in the selector, the temperature selector is in the middle, a little higher. It's on low fan. So let's turn it to low cool. So the meter on the inverter is easier to read. It's 334 watts. No. So there's some cool air coming out. Let's see how long it will run. Turn the AC on at about 1020. It's drawing about 7 to 8 amps from the solar panel. So it's nice to get a little cool air in the garage. This is of course not a typical situation because the back of the air conditioner is open to the outside, and the air conditioner compressor will be on for most of the time because you cannot cool off the garage, obviously. So, but at least it's running, right? It's not tripping the inverter. Yeah, I did not film that when the compressor came on. This sort of like blanked out a little bit and then came back on. So definitely when the compressor comes on, it's much harder on the inverter. It's 410 watts. That's what it's drawing now. $413 watts on low cool. So the AC does cycle a bit. The air compressor goes off after a little while. Garage, it's about 84 degrees, depending on which thermometer you look at. Humidity about 55, which is not bad. So it ran for about 35 minutes. It stopped working now. I think the battery power is there, but the surge current is tripping the inverter because after 35 minutes the voltage is a little lower, so the inrush current just tripped the inverter. So I'm going to wait for a couple of minutes before I turn this back on. So it ran for 35 minutes in an open garage. So I think it'll run quite a bit longer if you're inside a room. So I'll see if I can install some kind of inrush current thermistors to make this surge current less of a problem. The viewer asked me how my solar panels are mounted, so here they are. These are two 100 watt and one is 50, and the last one is 60 watts. So this one here is mounted on a pole, and then this is sort of the rack that I got from IKEA, so you can swivel it around. That's a pole there, and it's just clamped onto the pole, and the solar panels can be removed, disconnected when I get like a hurricane, or if I experience very strong winds, which almost always never happen. Even with Hurricane Sandy, these were okay. I disconnected two of the panels and put it inside the garage. So the other panel is like, these are slotted angle irons, so they just hung on the wall there. Again, they can be removed very easily, and this is like a cinder block wall, so there wouldn't be too much of a fire hazard. Whereas if I mount it on the roof, it's gonna have a lot of holes, and eventually water will get inside the garage, so that's not a great idea. So this is how I mount the solar panels.